Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In this hot summer, we can think nothing but about lemonade. And if the lemons are organic and of our garden, then that would be even amazing. It is interesting to note that the lemon plant is not considered to be one of the popular houseplants, but you are welcome to grow it in your garden to ensure a steady supply of this vitamin-rich fruit. We have 3 types of lemon plant in our garden, and after winter we pruned them all. If you have been watching our old videos, then you would have known that lemon plant is the best choice of caterpillar, and it helps us to grow so many new butterflies. Today I will tell you about how you will take care of your lemon plant so you can get a lot of lemons in summer. At first, I will tell you some basic care about soil, light, water, temperature and fertilizer. Out of 3 plants, there is 1 plant that has flowering in it. So keep on watching so you would know how you can also grow many lemons in your garden as well. For the soil, it must be fertile and slightly acidic. To make the soil acidic, you can apply citrus field fertilizer. My mom was just pruning the dry branches and the branches from which fruits have been taken. Lemon plants like sunny weather, so for light you must choose a sunny spot. And also, regular watering is essential when you want a good harvest of this citrus fruit. Take care to water regularly during the dry months and summer. You must also drain the water with care, as too much water and soggy soil may hamper the growth. Let's see what we can give for the fertilizer. Providing much needed energy to the lemon plant is a good way to encourage growth. Use a complete combination fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to facilitate healthy growth and an impressive harvest. Right now, my mom has given kitchen waste, eggshell and banana peel compost. As it's the summer season right now, my mom has given mulch after fertilizing the plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful to you, then please share, like and also subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.